Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo Course, the Pleasurable expansion. You may have noticed that all of the duplicates become child of the same element. If for whatever reason you want to be on the same level of hierarchy, right away, without every time moving manually, all of this, there's a way. And I covered that some years ago. Duplicating items without making them children in Supermemo. And yes, it's possible to do, even though I do not suggest doing that. Especially for items. Why? Because if it's an item, if I see an item like that, it's, hey, an item can have a child? That is impossible. If you just use incremental reading, importing, extracting, and closing, you will never get this. So I know that this is a child, it's an item, child of another item. I know for sure that I use the duplicate. And it will be the other way around, so the swap, or the opposite, on the true or false, stuff like that. I have this semantic cue. I don't want to get rid of this. It's already giving me a lot of implicit information. And imagine I have this in a flat hierarchy. I really suggest to keep that. But in case you work with topics and you duplicate, that will be the case if you don't follow the flow of incremental reading. You do your own stuff manually in Supermemo. Then yes, I suggest this flow. It's just 2 minutes. It's easy to do. What is important is not what to do or how, is when to do it. That's the important question, and that is what I spend most time on, the when and why. That's all for now. See you in the next video.